Asus ZenBook UX330 of 2017, 8th Gen, Review. Editor's Rating. The pros: bright, vibrant screen, relatively affordable price, speedy 8th Gen CPU. The cons: stiff touchpad, shorter battery life than prior model. Verdict: the 13.3-inch Asus ZenBook UX330 is a great value notebook with a bright, colorful screen, all-metal design and powerful performance. Review: one of the best laptop values around, Asus 13-inch ZenBook UX330 provides premium specs, such as a lightweight aluminum chassis, a vibrant 1080p screen and a 256GB solid-state drive, for well under $800. A successor to last year's identically named model, the late 2017 version of the UX330 upgrades the processor to a zippy Intel 8th Gen Core i5 CPU while keeping everything else the same. Unfortunately, the added performance means 1.5 hours less battery life. But with its colorful screen, sweet audio and 2.7-pound chassis, the ZenBook UX330 is still a great choice for anyone who needs a lightweight ultrabook at an affordable price. Design: the ZenBook UX330's silver aluminum alloy deck feels nice and modern, and the machine offers a durable feel that is good for the price. Its lid features one of Asus' circular designs, with a series of etched-in curves. The ZenBook's 12.7 by 8.7 by 0.7-inch chassis weighs 2.7 pounds, making it smaller than the Lenovo Yoga 720, 12.2 by 8.4 by 0.6 inches, 2.8 pounds, and larger than the Dell XPS 13, 11.98 by 7.88 by 0.6 inches, 2.8 pounds. The 7th Gen version of the ZenBook UX330, 12.7 by 8.7 by 0.5 inches, 2.7 pounds, which is still on Amazon, is slightly thinner.